Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to start with EVS 2 with a new chapter. And you all know I'm going to ask you few questions and you have to answer all my questions. Okay? So, are you all ready? Fine. Your first question. What became the first capital of Swaraj? Yes, Rajgarh. Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. Question number 2. Which forts were conquered by Shivaji without a fight? I'll repeat. Which forts were conquered by Shivaji without a fight? Yes. Very good. Torana, Muramdev, Kondana, Purandar and Rohida. Your third question. How did Shivaji conquer Javli? How did Shivaji conquer Javli? Yes, Shivaji conquered Javli by defeating Yashwantrao More. Shivaji conquered Javli by defeating Yashwantrao More. So children, today we are going to learn about how Shivaji defeated Yashwantrao and conquered Javli. In lesson number 8, defeat of internal enemies. Now children, this is part 1. Now before starting with this part, we will revise all the new words which we are going to come across in this part. So be attentive and you all know what you have to do. Yes, very good. Bidding. Bidding. B-I-D-D-I-N-G. Bidding. Bidding means command. Jealous. 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 Jealous means possessive. Incited. Incited. I-N-C-I-T-E-D. Incited means to encourage somebody to do something. Relative. Relative. R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E. Relative. Relative means a member of your family. Arrested. Arrested. A-R-R-E-S-T-E-D. Arrested. Arrested means to seize someone. Banished. Banished. B-A-N-I-S-H-E-D. Banished. Banished means to deport, to send somebody away. Children, this is the content outline of this part. So we are going to study about by use of force. Now, before I explain you in detail, I will tell you this part in short. So for that you have to be attentive and listen to me carefully. Now children, in the last lesson we learned that how Shivaji had to face 4 great enemies. His powerful opponents were the Mughal Emperor of Delhi, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur, the Portuguese of Goa and the Siddhi of Janjira. We also learned that Shivaji captured the fort Torana, and he renamed it as Prachandgarh. And on the hill of Muramdev, he captured the fort. He completed it and he renamed it as Rajgarh, which became the first capital of Swaraj. Now today in this chapter we will learn how he defeated, means how Shivaji defeated the internal enemies by use of force. So he defeated internal enemies by the use of force. Okay, listen. The simple Maratha folks called the Mavlas loved Shivaji and they were ready to help him and to die for Swaraj. But there were some who were jealous of Shivaji's achievements. Shivaji decided to put such people in their place. Now, who were those people? They were few Marathas who were jealous, and so they wanted to disturb Shivaji in the plan of establishing Swaraj. Now, the Maratha who were the internal enemies of Shivaji, they were Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade. Now these two Sardars were in the service of Adil Shah, and Adil Shah constantly told them things about Shivaji and they were very angry. So they wanted to have a fight. So they fought with Shivaji all the time. They created trouble for Shivaji. And then what happened? Shivaji did not like all these things. So he defeated them. Like all the things, he defeated them and drew them out. Now another Maratha Sardar from the Nimbalkar family. Who was he? He was Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Fulton. Now he was Shivaji's own brother-in-law. Now we know that Saibai, Shivaji's wife, belongs to Nimbalkar's family. Now, but Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar, Saibai's brother, was constantly fighting with Shivaji. So Shivaji had to fight many battles against Nimbalkars. But later on, this family became friends with Shivaji and they supported Shivaji Maharaj. Now the other Maratha Sardar was Sambhaji Mohite of Supe. He was also a near relative of Shivaji. He too plotted against Shivaji. He was also making plans to destroy this Swaraj. So all the time. So Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished. He sent him to Karnataka. Now let's start in detail. Now let's study in detail. By use of force. Now the Mavlas of the 12 Mavals gathered round Shivaji and they were ready to do his bidding. Now they were ready to listen for Shivaji's command. They lived for Swaraj. They were willing to die for it. They were simple Maratha folk. They loved Shivaji more than their life. Means they were ready to do anything for Shivaji. But some people were jealous of Shivaji's achievements. So he had to bring some people to book. He had to punish them. Now Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade, as you can see on the screen, Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade were the two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah. Means they were working for Adil Shah. So naturally they listened to Adil Shah, right? The Shah incited them against Shivaji. So he was telling Shivaji is like that. So they were getting angry. So they wanted to have a fight with Shivaji and give trouble to Shivaji. So they created lot of trouble in Kondana district. But Shivaji was more than a match for them. He was also not less. He also, what he did? He defeated them and drove them out. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Fulton was Shivaji's own brother-in-law. Brother-in-law means what? Now, Saibai was Shivaji's wife. Now, Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar was Saibai's brother. So, he was brother-in-law of Shivaji. But Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against him. However, later on, members of this family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, a near relative of Shivaji. He also started plotting against Shivaji. He was also planning to destroy this Swaraj. But Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. He sent him to Karnataka. With Shivaji, duty came first and relatives afterwards. Now children, we will do a quick recap of this part. The Mavlas of the 12 Marvels were simple Maratha folks who lived for Swaraj and were willing to die for it. Some people were jealous of Shivaji's achievements. Khandoji and Baji Gharpade were two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah. They created a lot of trouble in Kondana district. Shivaji defeated them and drove them out. Shivaji had to fight many battles against Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Fulton, his own brother-in-law. Later, Nimbalkar's family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, a near relative of Shivaji, plotted against him. Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. Now children, we will start with our assessment. Read the heading. Fill in the blanks by choosing correct option. The Mavlas of the dash marvels gathered around Shivaji. Options are 8, 10, 12. Now which option is the correct option? Yes, very good. And the answer is 12. The Mavlas of the 12 marvels gathered around Shivaji. Second one. Dash and Baji Ghorpade were two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah. Options are Bajaji, Khandoji, Daulat Rao. I have taught you just now. You should know. Okay. Very good. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade, okay, were the two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah. Third one. Dash, a near relative of Shivaji who was plotting against him. Baji Ghorpade, Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar, Sambhaji Mohite. Very good. Sambhaji Mohite, a near relative of Shivaji who was plotting against him. Fourth one. Sambhaji Mohite was banished to dash. Pune, Karnataka, Supe. Very good. He was banished to Karnataka. Name the following. Question number 1. Two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah. Very good. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade. Another one. He was Shivaji's brother-in-law. Now, who was Shivaji's brother-in-law? You have to write his name. Yes. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar. Let's see the answers. Correct. Two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah, Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade. Now, who was Shivaji's brother-in-law? Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar. Third question. Sambhaji Mohite was banished to dash. And the answer is very good, Karnataka. Now the fourth one is they created a lot of trouble in Kondana district. Now who created a lot of trouble in Kondana district? Yes, Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade. Sambhaji Mohite was banished to Karnataka. Now they created a lot of trouble in Kondana district, Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade. Thank you.